Nope.
Okay.
Alright. What are we doing?
It's Christmas morning, and we are going to play with our Roomba for the first time. Right, Coco? You ready to play with the Roomba? I know, we're documenting it just because we can't wait to see your reaction. Okay.
Alright. You gonna do the honors?
Yep, I guess so. Okay, ready? Come here, Coco. This is your new BFF. Come here. Oh, idiot. Over here. She is using every expletive in her vocabulary right now in dog related. Going, what the crap?
What do you think, Co? What is that? What is it?
Save me from the robot aliens, Dad. Oh my gosh, isn't it awesome? Well, that was all she did. I don't know, Coco. I don't think you're convincing it. Oh my gosh, she went under the couch. She's really freaking out. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's awesome. Oh, wait. You're supposed to get on it. Go sit on it, Coco. Go sit on it. Go sit on your bed.
She'll break it.
Yeah, she's too fat. Coco, this is going to be running every single day for the rest of your life. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Look at him. Coco, I think we have a new pet. Really? Your purpose is obsolete now. You need a dog, and you can have a roomba. So we'll do this entire room. Let's just keep going. Oh, I have to move the... Oh my gosh, it goes in between. And it's memorizing it, right? While
Yeah.
it goes.
Maybe. I don't know if that's for sure.
Coco, that's my new motto. Louder.
Look at her tail is actually wagging.
Louder. I don't think he fears you.
What do you think, Co? What is it?
You're failing, Coco. You're failing.
Go get it.
Look, the robot's winning. He's not going to stop it. Don't let Daddy.
Well, yeah, you tell him. He's already gotten under that chair. He missed a spot, didn't he? Roomba, you missed a spot. Say it. Or just go get him.
Fight for your place in this house, Coco. gotta earn your keep around here.
Smart little guy.
He's so smart.
Look how smart he is.
Smarter than you, Coco. Way smarter than you. I love how she goes right up to it, barks at it, freaks herself out, and then comes back to us. Attack it.
Coco, I'm not sure if you thoroughly scared it.
Make room in your heart, Coco.
Well, there you have it, dog versus machine. The battle continues. Dun dun dun.